You should know you can go where you wanna go. I can take you there.
We're doing that again. How are y'all? Yes, sir. Yay! Let's get down this hill first without dying. Oh, frig. Oh my goodness, guys. It has been way too long. I always say that. I'm like, it's been way too long since I made a video. But no, seriously. Bruh, I've been busy. I got a job. I was working out a lot. You know, trying to fix the bayou as well. But I can't, I'm having issues with it. Like big time. But we're out here, it's 4th of July. I don't know if you can see this, but I got my God, Guns, and Freedom shirt on. I also got my America socks on. And we got our new light on the pit bike so we can stay out until dark. And we're about to go like set off a bottle rocket on the hill. The big boy hill. We got a bottle rocket and some little small ones. So there's somebody up here walking. I'm just gonna take the detour. Maybe somebody will be up there, you know, you never know. Oh, these bushes have grown. They're not really bushes, trees. You know, just in case. So we do have a bottle rocket in our backpack. We got a bunch of little black cat ones. You know, we set off some fireworks yesterday with some friends. Oh, and I burnt myself on the arm with a punk. You know, nothing new. But yeah, hopefully y'all can actually see what I'm doing. I turned up my ISO on my camera, so it's a lot easier. But yeah, we're out here on the hill. You know, no fireworks show this year because Corona, but yeah, maybe we'll see. Oh look, there's a Roman candle right there. So I'm wondering, sorry if I'm breathing into the mic, but here's our little bottle rocket. I'm wondering how I'm gonna set this off. Jeez, I'm out of breath. What the heck? I think I'm either gonna hold it and just let it go. You know, because like I don't want it to fall over. Alright. Well, here goes nothing. $800 subscribers, boys. This is the 800. Yo, look at the fireworks over there. Brace. Holy. Look at that. I mean, that kind of worked. But it like shot down in the hole. Cause that like burnt my arm a bit, but hey, it's pretty nice. I just hope we didn't start a fire in here. So yeah, boys, 800 subscribers almost. Like, dang, boys, we're freaking killing it out here. You know, and I plan to upload more, like, from the bottom of my heart. I really say that because I've uploaded like two videos in the past month. It's freaking sad. Yo, I don't know if you can see that, but all the way over there's a bunch over the tops of the houses. Okay, well, we didn't burn anything down, so that's good. Now we'll hit a bunch of little black cats through these boys. This is for your entertainment, boys. We're lining that boy right there. Oh, frick. Oh, sounds pretty cool up here. But yeah, guys, 4th of July, man. We're out here chilling. We had some friends over yesterday. I think I already said that. Set off some fireworks. Had like a 10-person tank war. But my guy got demolished. But you know what? That's fine. Jimmy did not pull through. Let's save a few of these. And then, oh, I just hope that don't start no fire. Check out this yeet. Yeet! Oh, that sounds nice. You know, like, being completely honest, pretty sure people in the city aren't supposed to set off fireworks, but, you know, it's America. Dang, that sounds pretty cool down in there. Alright, well, I'm gonna save a few. I think I still have more in my pocket. I'm gonna head back down. And then, we're gonna hit the normal route in the trails. Back up around there, hopefully before it gets too dark. And then, yeah. Let's get down this hill first without dying. Oh, frig. Ah, that hurt. Jeez. But yeah, that was sick. I plan on doing a lot more and uploading more, you know, with the channel. But I'm just freaking busy and lazy. And those aren't good combinations. You know? I realized I was like, man, holy crap, we're still getting a bunch of subscribers, even though I haven't posted anything. And I'm like, well, what if I actually posted something? You ding dong, you know? And I was like, I'm gonna try and do 1 video a week, even while I'm working. That's gonna be the goal. A video a week. That's gonna be the goal. Man, they already started paving this nice sunset. What do we have? Oh, I got a good idea. I really hope y'all can kind of see what's going on, cause this is gonna be a lit pit bike adventures, yo. Man. Yo, who wants to get fricked today, boys? Yo, if there's any freaking squirrels in here, I would recommend getting the heck out of here. Alright, well, you're gonna get it. Yay! Ho ho ho! You hear that? Going out? Oh, that sounds sick. Oh, dude, look at this like U-shaped pipe. I really hope I have a few left. You probably can't see nothing, but oh, bro, listen to that. It's like boom. That's sick, bro. Alright, full moon out tonight. Yo, we gotta try one of these long pipes, bro. Look at this. Check me out. I want to catch that grass on fire. Oh, bruh. Yo, we're doing that again. Bro, wait, let me see if I can look in there. Oh, yo, that is too cool. Okay, we're good. You know, it's like not that dry actually. There's people walking over here, but I'll just say hi to them. Look at that. Let's try that. Oh. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. What's going on? How are y'all? Yeah. Was just setting off a bunch of little ones out here. It's a pretty nice area to set them off. Yeah. Y'all enjoying the 4th? Yes, sir. I am. It's pretty fun.
Nice places to ride out there, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely. There's like a bunch of trails just all around, and it's pretty fun. Yeah. All right, we all have fun. This is why I love my little small town, bro. Everybody here is so nice. Yo, this light is actually doing pretty good. Yo, jump. Oh, bruh, I'm just having a good time, honestly. This light makes it sick. Like, this is the brightest thing, isn't it? Or is it the lowest? Bro, it goes even brighter. What the heck? Yo, what's up, baby deers? Y'all having a good 4th of July? Oh. Dang, dude. This is just a sick light, honestly. Look at how bright this is. You know? Man, I can see a bunch of fireworks just going off. Look at that. All right there. Man. We're just chilling, honestly. Bruh, happy 4th of July, y'all. Man. It's pretty sick. We're just chilling out here on the bike. Oh. Oh, man. This is sick. This is sick. I'm gonna start doing more nighttime pit bike adventures because it's way too freaking hot during the day. Look at this, bro. Everyone's shooting off fireworks. Here we are. Full sends on the pit bike at night. I just hope I don't run into a deer. So I really hope this video turns out. You know, it might be a little bit too dark, but I hope you can actually see kind of what's in front of me and what I'm doing, because that was pretty fun. Like, look at how bright that thing is. But I gotta go do some chores real quick, but y'all are coming with me. Look at that gate, yo. That is sick. What's up, buddies? What's going on? I gotta move you slightly so I can put this, shut it. There's a little baby and the other guy in there.